With engines roaring, we set our way, guardians of the sea today. Through the calm and tranquil lake, our path we carve, our stand we take. Past Rabbit Island, through the wake, in harmony for safety's sake. Ripples trail behind our might, guiding us through morning light. Volunteers, a daring sight, in service we unite. Guardians of the coast we are, through every storm near and far. With courage bright as the morning star, protecting lives, our guiding star. A call came through as dawn did break. A yacht in peril, a soul at stake. Through stormy seas, a risk we take, to bring them home for safety's sake. A paramedic's brave swim to the yacht, through crashing waves to the troubled spot. With care and skill, a plan was sought, together every battle fought. High above, the view so grand, the lake below, the peaceful land. A mission clear, a helping hand. With every call, we take a stand. Guardians of the coast we are, through every storm near and far. With courage bright as the morning star, protecting lives, our guiding star. From the jetty, our journey starts, through Nape below, the peaceful land. On Rescue 36, we play our part. In Mallacoota, steadfast, smart. As the sun sets on our course, we find strength in our shared force. In Mallacoota, we reinforce, guardians of the coast, our hearts endorse.